In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional ghost hologram effect in Premiere Pro. Select your clip, grab the Object Mask tool, and click on your subject. Then, head over to Effect Controls and hit the Track Forward button. Premiere will handle the rest by tracking it frame by frame. Now go over to Effects and search for Lumetri Color, and add the effect to your clip. Under Effect Controls, expand Basic Corrections, and increase exposure to 2.5. Next, expand the color wheels and match settings. Click the blue target icon for your shadows, midtones, and highlights. Finally, drag your timeline slider back to the start and reselect your clip to apply the changes. Don't hesitate to dive into the settings and experiment with the parameters within Wave Warp and Object Mask to achieve your desired aesthetic. For reference on which settings are adjustable, tuning these values gives you complete control over the intensity of your ghost hologram effect. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Your support helps me keep creating and ensures you never miss a new upload.